Pick 4 event. Away they go. Cuccinelli from the outside is LGB. Moving up by the rail is Green Lexter. It's now Green Lexter, LGB, Cuccinelli, Remus Strong Boy. And on the outside, entry number 6. This one is Stellar Ace. It's now LGB from the outside, rising up Strong Boy, Remus. Down on the inside is entry number 2, Grand Lexter. Cuccinelli, Corduo is racing by the rail, and on the outside, Jan's Music, Stellar Ace, and Right Choices, and rounding the far turn, LGB, Remus Strong Boy, Corduo is by the rail, also rising up Jan's Music. And as they race the last 500, LGB followed now by Corduo in between runners as they swing for home. LGB by about 3 lengths, followed by Corduo on the outside, Remus and Jan's Music. LGB by about 3 lengths, Corduo in second, and Jan's Music on the outside, but still LGB by about 5 lengths now. And finally, LGB, Jan's Music, Corduo, Right Choices, Cuccinelli.